Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beautiful. What are you doing, Katie?
I'm making ballet. I'm doing ballet.
Ballet. Can you do it one more time?
No, I can't. I'm doing some more ballet.
Yeah, do another ballet. That looks like jazz.
Why is that? It's like jazz.
It's a little more spunky.
I'm doing spunky because I'm doing slidey. Yes, the top. Maybe
Do you want tap shoes?
tap shoes.
You have tap shoes too.
Do we have tap shoes?
Yeah, do you want to try some tap shoes?
Well, where are some tap shoes?
Let's go find them.
Are these tap shoes?
No,
Are these
they're
tap-
black.
Are these?
No, tap shoes are black.
Are these?
Maybe. Pull them out.
Are these?
No, nope. These are your tap shoes.
But, okay, let me do some tap.
You want to put those on?
They're just right.
They fit just right?
Yeah, but Mama,
Can you get them off by yourself or do you need help?
I need help.
Yeah, they're pretty snug.